Jesus!
Daula, I want a trip to Switzerland! It says here that it's the home to half-naked men in yak's milk. Oh, Daula, we're going!
So they embarked on their adventure to Switzerland. But they did not end up in Switzerland, did they? No, they didn't! Switzerland, here we come! Donna! Donna, where are we? Where are we? I want a pet a yak! Forget that, I'm hungry! I'd eat the yak! Where are we?
Where's the men? Where's the half-naked men?
Donna, we need to find some food. I'm gonna go check in some bushes to see if I can find any cheese.
Okay.
Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.
Daula doesn't know this, but I have artichoke hearts in my pocket. Artichoke hearts! Fancy! While Daula was walking through the woods, trying to find some food, she found some prune juice in a tree. She figured it must have been from some hunters that had some bodily function issues.
Oh, Pruny, I'm so glad that I finally found you, my long-lost lover. I will never let you go. Pruny! 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 Pruny!
Where's a Holiday Inn when you need one?
Donna, we ain't ever gonna get home.
I hate Switzerland.
We ain't ever gonna get home. Lady, why are you sledding hill? Please, sledding hill? But what about the yaks?
We're back in Jersey.
From the blistering cold of Switzerland.
And we ain't never leaving again. Ever.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad.
Daula doesn't know that.